you how to make almond butter right in the Greenstar Elite Juicer. Alright, so it's really simple to do. Let's get started. So with the Greenstar Elite, just unlatch this. Today I'm using the blank screen. So when I make a juice, I use the fine juicing screen so the juice can pass through here. But this is the blank screen. So it's basically going to push all the almonds, crush the almonds and push them straight out the chute here. Like these twin gears, this is a twin gear juicer, is going to crush everything, absolutely smash those almonds into a beautiful nut butter. So put that on our safety lid and away we go. Turn on the juicer. So I'll just feed in some roasted almonds into the Greenstar, and I'm going to use some coconut oil as well, right? Just to help, smooth it out a little bit. And you need a little bit of downward pressure here just to push the ingredients in. And you're going to see that beautiful almond butter just start to come out the end there. So just keep putting in the almonds, coconut oil, and that's it. That's how easy it is. That's it. That's how simple it is. I get this beautiful almond butter. I just give that a little bit of mix up. You can add a little bit more oil in there if it's a little bit dry like this one is, just to mix it up, and that is going to be absolutely delicious. Try some of that. I love almond butter. I can't talk now. Make sure you try this at home. Happy juicing.